What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we are talking about Meguiar's ultimate waterless wheel and tire. So apparently the whole idea behind this is it's a 2-in-1 wheel cleaner and a tire shine, so that's pretty interesting. And it says that it cleans wheels without water, shines tires glossy and black. And you can see the beautiful before and after picture. But does it really work? So I don't have my car here yet, still not here. So what we're gonna do is mess around with this wheel and this be dirty. So I'm gonna follow the instructions. I'm gonna spray this on here and we're gonna see if it does do a decent job. So let's check it out. So the back of this says shake well, which I shall do. And it says basically just spray one tire at a time, a light mist on the wheels and a heavier amount on the tires. Wipe it off, turn the towel over, and bada bing bada boom. So we're gonna shake it up even more than I already did, because maybe there's some kind of special doohickeys in there. And we're gonna give this a nice little spray. So it says heavier on the tires. Okay, and then I guess a light mist there. It smells, I don't know, smells like some chemically goodness here. This is interesting. The way it's wiping off. It's interesting. It's like, oh wait, the bubbles are all going away. Hold on. I'm curious now. The tires look good. Let's see about the actual wheel itself. I mean, it's pretty decent. I don't know what it did to the layer of dirt that was on there, but kind of feels like it chewed through it. Now I am getting some stuff off, but I felt like I had a lot more on there. Guys, this is incredible. Like, it's really crazy. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. This is like dull. There's dirt and grime. The tires don't look good at all. You know, we sprayed a product that didn't require water, let it sit for a split second, wiped it all off, and it was really good. Fun fact about this wheel, I don't know if it's just all women or my wife in general, but right before the quarantine, she did that and this. Obviously, the rim itself is going to be able to be refurbished, repaired by somebody. I'm going to have to get the tire changed. I got to find out if I can do one tire or if I have to do two or if I have to do four. I got to check it out because, you know, the car does have a couple miles on it, so I don't want to have some kind of off-balance tire situation with my kids in the car, so we're going to figure that out. But we're going to go through this wheel real quick and spray this one, and that'll be the last little demonstration. But I mean, you can just look at this and look at this, and you can already tell, like, that's substantial. You don't need tire dressing or anything. I mean, I personally would still have some kind of tire dressing, but that's ridiculous. That looks really good. So just like with the first wheel, we're gonna go heavy-ish on the tires and a light mist on the wheel. So I think what you do with the light mist is it's just because it's got a little bit of a greasy, I would say, something that's going to give it that shine. You don't want to have to spend too much time wiping it off the actual rim. We're going to go with the white cloth this time. There's barely any on here, right? We're gonna see how bad it gets. I mean, obviously it was very dirty. Very dirty. Go through the wheel. And like I said, there is damage to this wheel, so that sucks, but anything can be repaired, and if it can't, I'll just replace it. That's the end of that. So I've used other products in the past that have been similar to this. I've even done like waterless washes. What's different about this is the way it feels. The way it feels coming off is different, and the finish it leaves is very different. There's no grabby feeling. Like, look at this. You can see dirt there. And it's gone. It feels like it glides on the wheel, which is very nice because you don't feel like you're rubbing anything into the finish. But yeah, look at that. That's like ridiculous. I did have a couple of you messaging me after I posted the video of me cleaning the interior and wiping the outside down. You guys were like, oh, well, why didn't you do the wheels and tires? Well, I'm hoping that that's apparent now, and you guys see why I didn't do that. Because look at this. So much better. Not gonna lie, one of my favorite things about my wife's vehicle are these wheels. I just really like them. I think the coloring with the paint and everything looks really, really nice. Really have no complaints with it. They look very nice. So the product I did use before this, well, one of them, was made by Meguiar's too. This was called Quick Wheel Mist and Wipe Detailer. So, you know, again, there's going to be topics where you're going to debate about. You can use waterless wash. You can use detail sprays if you want. Do I feel there's a necessity to have this specific product? No, but do I feel like there's a necessity to have all of these products? No. I mean, if you're into it and you want to have a specific thing for a specific thing, go for it. If you're one of the guys that are like, all right, I can take my gallon of spray and wipe, or I can take Ultimate Quick Detailer and I can get the same job done, or waterless wash concentrate, or if I could take regular soap and water, that's another thing. You can do that. Nothing's forcing you to buy these boutique products. It just does. If it makes you feel good and you like having those products, then I recommend getting them, because honestly, detailing is about what you want to do and how you want to spend your money and how you want to spend your time and what products you want to use and what products you want to support. All I can say is I really do like this product. I think it's cool. I have used quite a bit of this already on other vehicles. I just haven't filmed it. So, you know, would I keep this? Would I restock on that? Yeah, I would have that. I would definitely have that in my arsenal. I would take that with me to like a car show if I just drove there. The wheels and tires aren't exactly the way I would want them to look at the moment. I would have that and I would spray that on there. And, you know, again, yes, you could use detail spray or waterless wash, and who knows what the difference actually could be. This is not meant to be a comparison video. It's just meant to show you that this right there, that product, did that. And I can pretty much guarantee that you're not going to get the tires to look like that with Quick Detailer or waterless wash. So if you want to have a all-in-one really quick product, then yes, this could be a necessity for you, and it's very convenient. It's one bottle instead of carrying a detail spray and a tire dressing. And we all know that sometimes applying tire dressing is a pain in the ass. You got to have your applicator pad. You could use a microfiber, but now you're wasting a microfiber. We can go into this discussion, have a big long conversation. It could take hours, but we're not going to do that. What we're going to do is say, this is pretty damn cool. If you haven't heard of it, maybe it's worth you looking into it. Again, I'm not sponsored by Meguiar's or anybody, ever. I will never do detailing related product sponsorships. Because then it takes a bias. If anybody says, oh, I have a discount code for this product and they're pushing it hard and they're getting a kickback financially, that's what I say to anything that they say online. So if you like this product and you think it's cool, go pick it up. If not, hopefully you enjoyed me wiping my wheel and tire. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, I appreciate you stopping by again, and I'll see you guys on the next one.